Hi, my name is Dr. Minal Salvi, based in Pune. I attended Dr. Bhavti Pahuja's practice management workshop in the month of March. And I must tell you that it has been an eye-opener and has been very, very, very helpful for me in having my clarity and future goals set to run. What I found very helpful with his entire workshop is number one, he went into a lot of details, minutely covering each and every aspect. Number two, I think he connected well with each one of us, where we were very confident to ask him any sort of question, may it be pertaining to practice management or dental finance, or even consent forms or legalities, and that was very helpful for us. But most of all, my take-home message, which I took and I would like to imply at my clinic, is he went into the detailing of how one should calculate all our numbers in different aspects of our practice, be it material cost, be it the kind of patients that are coming in, what kind of patients we are doing. He gave us an idea how we need to start analyzing all our data by having it documented, and this in turn will allow us to take certain steps which will be very impactful in initiating a change. So it basically helps us find out which areas in our practice lags behind and what steps need to be taken so that we can make an impactful change. And this for me was the biggest clarity that I know would actually make a big difference in my practice should I start implementing it. So today is the first day of my practice and I'm very positive about it and very confident in handling things. I've actually started implementing a lot of changes in my clinic and trying to set down systems so that I can actually make a big difference in the way I run my practice. Thank you so much, Dr. Ahuja. Thank you so much. It has really been a very big eye-opener for me, and I'm sure that I definitely will progress bit by bit every day and put to use what you have taught me. Thank you.